Good evening, everybody. So today, let us discuss another concept of core Python. Already we discussed the Python installation, then Python keywords, right? And yesterday we discussed the Python course, Python course. This is what we discussed in the previous classes, all of you, right? Python installation, Python keywords, and the Python course. Okay, right. So today, let us discuss another concept of Python, which is most useful in the real time. What is that concept means? Very simple concept, guys, that we know very well, everybody. Let's observe here. That is case styles, guys. Case styles. Guys, we know in English we have lowercase, uppercase, right? Yes or no? In English, tell me what cases we have. All of you, we have lowercase, and also we have uppercase, lowercase and uppercase. Guys, let me know, do we have these two cases only, or any other cases are there? Guys, let me know, do we have only these two cases, or we have some other cases also? Generally, everybody knows lowercase, uppercase. In English, guys, I am saying that. I am not talking about Python. I am talking about generally in English. So lowercase is there, uppercase is there. Any other cases, guys? Anyone? Karthik Reddy? Anyone, guys? Gopal Reddy, Sunil Kumar, Mohit, Vaishali, Shubham. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Do we have any other cases, or we have only these two cases only? Guys, give reply, guys, everybody. Karthik Reddy, no other cases, sir? Okay, fine. See, actually, we have one more case that is called the Pascal case, guys. What is the name? Pascal case. One more case is there, that is called camel case. What is the name? Camel case. And one more is there, that is called snake case. And one more is there, that is called kebab case. In English, we have different types of cases, but generally we know only these two cases only, lowercase, uppercase. Sir, if this is English topic, then why we are discussing in Python, sir? See, in Python programs also we use English characters only. Hello, right? In Python programs also, what we use? We write the Python programs in English language, not in Telugu language, not in Odia language, not in Tamil or Kannada, not in some other languages. Which language we use? English language only. That's why we must know these cases, guys. Okay, right. I give an example of lowercase. I am giving you here. Just I am taking the one variable name, guys. I am taking, for example, my first name like this. Yesterday I explained which one. See, your roll number in school is a variable name. Your name is a variable name. Your email ID is a variable name. Salary is a variable name, right? All of you. Okay, for equal operator, For equal operator, left side whatever is there, that is called what? Variable. That is called what here? A variable, guys. A variable. All of you. For equal operator, left side whatever is there, that is called what? Variable. Okay, variable. Now I am taking the example of variable name, guys. What is name I am giving here? I am giving my first name. My first name. Now if you observe here, these all characters I wrote in lowercase only. In lowercase only. Here I did not use any spaces. I did not take the spaces. You may think that, sir, please take my space, first space name. Please take like this. You may ask me, but in a variable name, we cannot take the spaces. We cannot take the spaces. Why, sir? What is the reason? That I will discuss in the next topic, guys. Just after 10 minutes, I will discuss you in the variables what rules you have to follow. Okay, but as of now, just remember that we don't use any spaces. We don't use any space. That's why I am taking as a single word. I am taking as a single word, guys. Okay, single word. Now uppercase. Uppercase means all capital letters. My first name. My first name. See, first one lowercase, all small letters. Second uppercase, all capital letters. Next, what is Pascal case? It is the most important, guys. Pascal case is the most important. What is Pascal case means? See, here we have three words. What's first word? My is the first word. First is the second word. Name is the third word. Three words are there. In every word, the first character should be uppercase. The first should be uppercase. The remaining characters should be in the lowercase. Remaining should be in the lowercase. All of you. In every word, the first character should be in uppercase. The remaining character should be in the lowercase. Like first word is what? My, capital M, remaining small. But second word, first, capital F, remaining small. But next one, name, capital N, remaining small, like this. This is called what here? This is called Pascal case. Pascal case. Allah, you can observe here, Pascal case like this. This is called Pascal case. In every word, first letter should be in the uppercase. The remaining letters should be in the lowercase. That format is called what here? Pascal case. Pascal case. Next one, camel case. What is camel case? Camel case means same like Pascal case only, guys. Same like Pascal case only. But the entire first word should be lowercase. Entire first word. The first word, whatever it is, it can be 1 characters, 2 characters, 10 characters. The entire first word should be lowercase. The remaining follows Pascal case, like capital F, remaining small, capital N, remaining small, like this. All of you can observe here. So only the first word difference, guys. The remaining all words are same like both in Pascal case and camel case. The first word should be which one? Capital letter and remaining small. But here all small case only. The first word entirely small case only, lower case only. That is what the difference between Pascal and camel case. Okay. Then the next one is snake case. The next one is snake. What's first word? My underscore. First underscore name. That means what here? Every word separated by underscore is called what? Snake case. Every word separated by underscore is called what here? Snake case. Snake case. Snake case. All of them. Okay. Next one. Kebab case means every word separated by hyphen. Hyphen. are also called dash. My hyphen first hyphen name, right? So like that in SQL, sorry, in English there are 6 type of cases, mainly lowercase, uppercase. That these 2 are well known, and remaining 4 Pascal, camel, snake, kebab cases. All of them. Now you may have doubt. What is the doubt means? Sir, in case of snake case, suppose I want to take a capital MY underscore capital first underscore name like this. Any problem, sir? You are taking all lowercase characters separated by underscores. Okay. But I want to take all uppercase characters, sir. Any error? No error. There is no error. All of right, you can use small case letters, uppercase letters, our choice. All of you. Okay. But recommending is what? Using the lowercase characters only, always best, guys. Using lowercase characters always best. But if you use uppercase also, no issue. There is no error. There is no error, guys. All of you. Okay. Right. So guys, let me know. Let me know. So are you clear now, guys? These 6 cases. Are you clear now? Are you clear, all of you? Let me know. All of you guys, let me know everybody. All of you, let me know everybody. Is this clear, everyone? All of you guys. Karthik Reddy, yes sir, right? Very good. Vaishali Rajput, right? Sarvesh, okay. Gopal Reddy, okay. Gautam Kumar, yes. All of you guys, everybody, please give reply, guys. Shubham, right? Srinivas, okay. Remaining guys, Mohit, Sunil Kumar, right? That is fine. Now, all of you, I'll give one name. You tell me what case it is. I am taking like this. I am taking like Narayana Tech House. Tell me now. So, what case this one, guys? What is the case of this one? In which case I wrote this name? In which case I wrote this name? Narayana underscore Tech underscore house. What is the case of this one? Gautam, Karthik Reddy, snake case, Preeti Verma, snake case, okay. Ramesh Bandi, kebab case? No, it's not a kebab case. Ashok, yes, this is what? Snake case, right? Very good, snake case, guys, right? So this is what here, it is a snake case. Because remember, if you have the underscore separator, then that is what? Snake case, okay? Snake case. Next one, Narayana Tech House. Tell me this one, guys. Tell me this one, what is this case? Tell me this one, what is this case? All of you. Which case this one? Narayana Tech House, but no spaces, no underscores, not all in the uppercase, not all in the lowercase. Some format is there, guys, okay. Vaishali, camel case. Gautam, camel case. Gopal, yes. Kartik Reddy, Mahesh Reddy, Preeti Verma, Ramesh, Gayatri, yes. Very good, very good. Shilpa, this is what? Camel case, right? Camel case, guys. Okay, right. Narayana, hyphen, take, hyphen, house. Narayana, hyphen, take, hyphen, house. Then, what is this case? What is this case? Right. Guys, you know, what's the answer now? Right. Kebab case. Right. This is what here? Kebab case. Okay. Very good. Now the last one I am giving here. Narayana Tech House. This one. Narayana Tech House. Guys, give play now. What is this one now? What is the case of this one, guys? Everybody? Pascal case, right? All of you. This is what? Mahesh Reddy. It is not uppercase. It is not uppercase, right? This is what Pascal case, okay? This is what Pascal case, okay? Uppercase means what? Taking all in the uppercase, right? Taking all in the uppercase. Taking all characters in the upper. That's called the uppercase, okay? Right, very good. So guys, here, see, suppose if I ask you, I'm taking a I'm asking here like Narayana hyphen or else my space first space name, my space first space name. So you cannot say that this is a Pascal case. You cannot say that this is Pascal case. Why? Because space is not allowed. Space is not allowed. Actually, there are some rules, guys. There are some rules that we must follow. To write the name, to write the variable name, or class name, function name, array name, matrix name, any name, guys. Any object name. We must follow some rules, right? Some rules. So what are those means? It is called identifier, guys. It is called identifier. Let's see now a new basic concept. Here you understand here. So what rules we have to follow while writing the name? So before starting this concept, guys, before going to this concept, let me know everybody are clear now about case styles. All of let me know everybody are clear now about case styles. All of let me know everybody are clear now about case styles. If you are clear here, then I will start the next one. That is what here identifier concept, guys. Identifier concept. If you are clear here, then I will start identifier concept. All of you guys, let me know. Everybody, guys, please. Everybody, guys, will reply. Because if everybody is clear, then happily I can go with the next concept. All of you. Okay. Now, identifier. Identifier. Identifier means like it is a name, guys. It is a name which is used to identify an object. Identifier is a name is a name which is used to identify an object. All of you observe, in the world, in the universe, everything has a name. In the universe, everything has a name. Humans are having the names. Humans are having the names. Animals are having the names. Yes or no? Animals are having the names. Countries, nothing but places are having the names. Places are having the names. Like cities, towns, villages, states, districts, countries, and okay. So like everything has a name. Every place has a name, right? All of you, humans, okay. And suppose fruits, okay, having the names. Fruits having the names, right? So like that, in the universe, everything has a name. In the universe, everything has a name. All of you, yes or no, right? Yes or no, all of you. So why that names are used to identify a specific person. The name is used to identify a specific animal, to identify a specific place, to identify a specific fruit, guys. Okay. So like that, everything has a name, guys. Everything has a name. Suppose, guys, observe now. All of you observe. Just imagine now. This is offline class, guys. Imagine now. Just imagine. Currently, we are in the offline. Means you are in the institute now. In Hyderabad, you are in our institute. Okay, our institute, guys. Right? Now, some holidays came. Then you go to hometown. Now hometown, somebody asked you, right now what are you doing? Right? So at that time, without using the any name, without using the city name, without using the area name, without using the person name, without using the institute name, without using a course name, you are telling to him the answer. How you are saying to him? Okay, how you are saying to him? If you go to very long distance, one city will come. In the city, one area is there. In that area, okay, one building is there. One building is there. In that building, okay, one office is there. In that office, one sir is there. That sir taking one course. That course I am learning. Right? Like that, if you say the answer to him, then he don't know in which city you are staying, you don't know in which area your institute is there, you don't know in which building your institute is there, and you don't know what is your faculty name, you don't know what is your course name. Because if you say these things as an answer, then there is no clarity. That's why, because now he doesn't know which city you are staying. You are saying that what if you go to long distance, what city will come? Or which city coming? Is it Hyderabad city na, Bangalore city na, Chennai city na, Calcutta na, or else let's go to Bombay, or else Delhi, which city? In India, a lot of cities are there, right? So that's why if you say the answer like this, you cannot get the full clarity of your course details. Instead of saying like this, now you are saying that so in Hyderabad, in Amirpet area, Balaji Towers building is there. In that building, Narayana Tech House Institute is there. Narayana Tech House Institute is there. In that institute, Narayana is teaching Python classes. Is teaching a Python course. That course I am learning. See, now we have full meaning, guys, all of you. If you observe here, if you observe now, these are without names. These are with names. With names are. Now, which one has the clarity? All of tell me now, without names is having the clarity na? Or with names having the clarity? All of without names, and this is what with names. Which one is having more clarity? Which one is having more clarity? Tell me now, all of you. So, city name, which city? Hyderabad city. Which area? Amirpet area. Which building? Balaji Towers building. Which office? Narayana Tech House. Which sir? Narayana sir. Which course? Python course. Python course. All of right. So, tell me now. So, is this having a full meaning or with the names full meaning is there? Which is having the full meaning? All of you tell me. Without names or with the names are? With the names are. Name means what? Name means what? Identifier. Identifier, right? Hyderabad is which one? One city. That city is called what? Hyderabad. Because in India, lot of cities are there. In India, lot of cities are there. That's why to get clarity, each one has a name. Each one has a name. This is what Delhi city. Delhi. This is what suppose Bangalore. This is what Chennai, right? Chennai. Allah, for example, this is what Hyderabad, right? Hyderabad. This is what suppose Pune, and this is what something like some different Guntur, like this, guys, all of you, right? So to avoid the confusion, each city has a name. That name is called what? Identifier. Here, identifier, that name is used to identify this city. This city. In that city, lot of areas are there. One area is Amirpet. That name Amirpet is used to identify a specific city. In that city, in that area, lot of buildings are there. Lot of buildings are there. To identify a specific building, what name is used? Balaji Towers is used. That's why the names play a very important role. Names means what? Identifier. Identifier. Okay. Non-technically, I am giving the examples of this all. Not technically. But technically, which one? Tell me now. Technically, variables names, all of you, and functions names, and the classes names, okay, and the arrays names, matrix names, matrix names, like that. These are all names, guys. These are all names, right? Technically, identifier is a name which is used to identify the variables, to identify the functions, to identify the classes, to identify matrix, to identify arrays. That's all. All of you. Okay, right. So I am giving the full definition. All of you observe here. Identifier is a name, which is used to identify the names of which one? Which one here? The name identify which one? Variables, then functions, then classes, then arrays, then matrix. All of you, matrix. So like this and so on, and so on like this. But to write the variable name, to write a variable name, to write a function name, to write a class name, to write a arrays name, to write a matrix name, we have to follow some conditions, guys. We have to follow some rules. Some rules are there, guys. We cannot write the name in randomly any way. No. We have to follow some rules. As per the rules only, that names should be given. Suppose yesterday I used which one? Your roll number in school. This is what variable name. What I used? Underscore I used. Tell me now, what is this case, guys? Tell me, what is this case now, all of you? I wrote yesterday 4 names. These 4 names are Tell me now, what are the names of these four cases? What are the names of these four cases, guys? All of you tell me now. What are the cases? Is it Pascal case or camel case or snake case or lower case? Which case are there, guys? Tell me. All of you. Which case, all of you? Gautam Kumar? Yes. These all are in the which case? Snake case. These all are in the snake case. But if you observe, the last name is not having the underscore. The last name is only one word, right? Only one word. At that time, it can be which one? Lower case. All of you. Here only one word is there, right? Here only one word is there. So this is called what? Lower case, guys. Lower case. If you have two or more words separated by underscore, then that is called what? Snake case. But here only one word is there and no underscores here. This is called what? Lower case, right? Lower case. Now let us see what rules we have to follow. Rules to name identifier. What are the rules that we follow to name the identifier? What rules we have to follow? The first rule is, all of you, the first rule is identifier is the combination of lowercase, uppercase, digits and underscores. Means a name can have these four combinations, guys. Lowercase characters, uppercase characters, digits, underscores. This is the first rule that we have to remember while giving the name. All of you. Now let us see parallelly the examples also, guys. I will show you parallelly. Practically, I will show you the examples also by using this first rule. Right. So what is the first one? It should be the combination of which one? Lowercase, uppercase, digits, underscores, right? I am taking here my first name equal to, for example, Python, guys. Python, Narayana, like this. Now, guys, you don't apply these rules in values. Don't apply here. Okay, you match these rules on this variable names, all of you, right? Okay, not on the values. In the value, I can take the spaces, I can take anything, guys. So you think about I am writing these rules for what? For the variables names only, not for the values. Now I am going to give some examples. In all the examples, you don't think about the value. You think about the combination of the name. In the name, what combinations I am using, think about that name only. Okay. So what's first point here? It's a combination of what? Lowercase. I tried all lowercase only possible. Okay. Next, my first name. I am giving like this. Yes, correct. Okay, all of you observe here. So it can have which one? Lowercase, full lowercase and full uppercase, right? Full uppercase, guys. Full lowercase, full uppercase. Now, and also these two I checked now. I am going to check the remaining cases also parallelly. What is third case? Tell me now. My first name. Which case I am giving here? Tell me which case I am giving here? Pascal case. Here we have both combination of upper cases, lower cases, characters, guys. Combination of both uppercase, lower case, characters. All of you guys, let me know. Everybody, let me know. Are you following me, guys? Everybody? The fourth one is my first name. My first name. Yeah, this is what here. camel case. Next, my underscore first underscore name. Which case here? The same snake case, right? Snake case. Okay, all of you. So now I checked on the first 5 cases, guys. I tried the first 5 cases. But the kebab case, guys, which one? My iPhone first iPhone name, it will throw error. Means Python does not support what kebab case. In English we have 6 cases in English, but in Python 6th one not supporting. Why, sir? Why not supporting the 6th one? Because the second rule is the identifier should not allow special characters except underscore allow. Remaining special characters, it can be ampersand, it can be at the rate, all of you, it can be brackets, hyphens, these all are not allow. It can be dollar symbol, these all are not allow. Or second rule? The second rule is Python identifier should not allow which one? Special characters. Now we can observe here. Guys, right? What is second rule? Tell me. The second rule is identifier should not allow which one? Special characters. Except what? Tell me now. Except underscores. Underscores allow. But remaining special characters are not allow. Remaining all are not allow. Sir, in the name you are trying upper, lower only, but please try the digits also, sir. Please show me the digits also. How to use digits also? Yes. Guys, observe now. All of observe here. See, my first name. What I am trying to use underscores I am using here. Underscore I am using 1 2 like this. Now, if you observe here, in this variable name, we have lowercase characters, we have uppercase characters, we have digits, and also we have underscores also. All 4 combinations are there in a single name. Yes, it allow. Okay. So guys, it allows digits anywhere in the name. Anywhere means suppose my 1 2 underscore first 3 4 underscore name something like that. Yes, it allows. It allows any number of digits. It allows, but it does not allow the digit in the beginning of the name. Does not allow the beginning of the name, right? Okay, I'm using 1 2 my first name. Okay, my first name. All of observe here like this. I'm just trying to take the beginning, guys. I'm trying to take in the beginning. Which is not allow. That means what? Identifier can have digits anywhere, no problem, but not in the beginning. That means what? The identifier should not start with what? Digits, guys. Should not start with the digits. That is what here. That is what third rule. What is rule here? Identifier should not start with what? Start with the digits. That's all. Should not start with digit, but it can have anywhere, guys. It can have anywhere except in the first place. Guys. All of you. Okay, sir. What about the underscores? Underscores are beginning. Yes, underscore. Observe, guys, here. My underscore first underscore name underscore I am giving like this. Any error? No. Why? Identifier identifier allows n number of underscores at any place, either beginning place, ending place, middle place, anywhere it allows, guys. Okay, that is the fourth rule. Identifier allows n number of underscores at any place, at any place, guys. It can be beginning, ending, anywhere it allows. All of you, okay, right? The next one is all of observe here. What I am trying to say here, my space first space name, my first name, I am trying to give the space but not allow. See, that's what I am saying here. In identifier, space is not allowed, guys. Space is not allowed. Okay, so identifier should not allow which one? Allow this space. Should not allow the space. Then the sixth one is allow. Observe now. Observe here. We know Python keywords, right? We know Python keywords, guys. Allow. What are the keywords? I'm giving suppose keywords like this. See, these all are Python keywords. Okay. So now what I'm trying here, I'm trying to use a keyword as identifier. Actually, the rule is identifier should not allow keywords. Or else identifier should not be a keyword. Identifier should not be a keyword, guys. Identifier should not be a keyword. What does it meaning? Means see, I cannot take a keyword as an identifier. Suppose see, like continue equal to, I am giving something Python Narayana like this. See, now this is identifier, but what I am using now, I am using Python keyword, right? I am using a Python keyword as a identifier. All of you. So this is error now. That's what I am saying here. Identifier should not be a Python keyword. Guys. Suppose, sir, can I use like this? Continuous. Any problem? No problem. See, in Python, continue is the keyword, but not continuous. As extra is there. It is not a keyword. We can use it. No issue, guys. We can use no issue. Observe. All right. Okay. Right. Now, guys, you tell me. I am trying to use where equal to Python Narayana. So I am trying to use where as a identifier. Is it possible? I am trying to use where as a key. Is it possible? Let me know, guys. All of you. I am trying to use where as a identifier. Is it possible? Everybody has to reply now. All of you, let me know it allows or not. Yes, sir. But where is the keyword? All of you, where is a keyword or not? Where is a keyword or not? Guys, all of you reply. Just one or two giving reply, remaining not giving reply. Everybody, please involve in the class and make our classes as a communicative classes, guys. Okay? Not only teaching. No. The class should be interactive. The class should be interactive, guys. All of you. Hello, sir, not here. So, Gautam Kumar, where is a keyword? It is not acceptable. Right. See, where is a keyword in SQL? In SQL, not in Python. It allows. Kumar, it allows, because see, what I am saying here, identifier should not be a keyword. Which keyword? Python keyword. Because we are discussing the Python language. We cannot use only Python keywords, but you can use remaining all keywords. You can use Java keywords, C language keywords, C++ keywords, SQL keywords. All we can use. Just it should not be a Python keyword. That's all. It should not be a Python keyword. That's all. We can use remaining all keywords also. Suppose, see, in Java, private keyword is there, but in Python, private is not there. So I can use it here. I can use it, guys. I can use it here. All of you, I can use it here. But in Java, private is a keyword. In Java, private is a keyword. But Python, private is not there. In Python, private is not there. We can use it here. We can use it, guys, all of you. Right? Only Python keywords are not allowed, guys. We can use remaining all keywords. We can use remaining all keywords. Suppose include keyword is there, I think, right? Include keyword some C language. Include hash include. But we can use include here. We can use include here, all of you. We can use it here. It allows. Okay, so the point is what here? Only Python keywords should not be a identifier, but remaining keywords you can use, guys. Remaining all languages you can use. All of you. Okay, these are the 6 rules that we must follow. We must follow while making the projects in the real time. It is mandatory. It is mandatory, guys. All of you. But out of all the cases, which case mostly we use means the real time. Which case mostly we use means first Pascal case, guys. Pascal case or camel case, and snake case. Snake case. When if the name contains 2 or more words, guys. 2 or more words, then we follow these 3 cases. If the name contains 2 or more words, like my first name. So 3 words are there at the time. At the time we go with these things, guys. But when the name has only one word, if the name has only one word, the name contains only one word, then what we use simply we go with the lower case, guys. Okay, we go with the lower case. That's all of you. Okay, and in these three also, okay, Pascal case mostly used for making the classes, oops classes. Okay, in the oops concept classes are there, right? And these 2 we can use for variables and which one, guys, here? Variables and functions. Okay, so these things, guys, understand later, no issue. These things you understand later. Which one for classes, which case we are using, that we understand later. But remember which one, if the name contains two or more words, then we follow in the three cases. If name contains only one word, we use what? Lowercase, just lowercase word, lowercase word, that's all. All of you guys, let me know, everybody, are you clear now about these two concepts, case styles and identifiers. Case styles and identifiers. See, Ruby Narayan, generally we don't use uppercase. Suppose, observe here, okay. Let us take name equal to, I can take suppose Narayana. That looks good. Not like name equal to Narayana. No. See, we can use no issue, guys. We can use no issue, but it looks better. It looks better compared to this one. Are you clear now? Okay. See, we can use uppercase also. There's no rule, there's no error, nothing, no problem. But which one is recommended? Which one looks better? That is always fine here. See, suppose if I use the name, the lowercase, it looks better, but not in the uppercase. If lengthy name, we have to hold the caps lock button and write the characters, right? That's why general suggested what here? Lowercase for one word. Right? Because yes, for good practice we have to follow these case styles, guys. These case styles. Suppose, sir, if I use all uppercase, any problem, sir? Suppose I am saying that, see, your institute name equal to some name, guys. Okay, something like this, right? If you observe here, see, while reading the first time, you get confusion. Array, why, our, in something STATUT. See, like that you get confusion. While reading the first time, if all are the new words, if all are the unknown words, we don't know where to break the name. We don't know where to break the name if all are unknown words. Because all looks like same height, same like Chinese faces, Japanese faces. If you see Chinese faces also, all faces like same, almost all of you. Okay, that's why the same thing. I'm writing like this. Suppose I'm writing here, your institute. Institute name. See, which one looks better? Let me know, guys. Which one looks better? First one, second one. Which one looks better? Which one easy to read? All of you. Which one looks better? Which one easy to read? Which one easy to read? Tell me. Which one easy to read, guys? First one easy to read. Second easy to read. All of you. Which one looks better? Which one easy to read? First one or second one? Right? Why? Because here it is easy to read. While reading your, okay, one break here. Institute, one break here. Why? Some reference is there. We have to break before uppercase character. We have to break before uppercase character. Some reference is there. Kartik Reddy. First one, Chinese faces, second Indians faces. Correct. Okay, right. See, in the same one, I am writing here, again same one. Your institute name. Here also, if you observe here also, again all are again small cases. Again, it is difficult to break and read. But here, I can take here like this. Your institute name. Here also easy to read, right? Here also easy to read, and your institute name, it's also easy to read. Yes or no? All of you. Rabi Narayana. In Python, upper lower case are there, right? See, even though we have upper lower cases, but when you want to write some lengthy name, see, we cannot understand where to break and read. All looks like same height, right? Same height almost all. But here we can easily understand where to break while reading. We can easily understand where to break here. Some references are there here, right? Okay, some references are there here, underscores like this. That's why, so in the real time, mostly we follow these cases, guys. It can be which one? Pascal case, camel case, or else snake case. Snake case. If only one word is there, simply institute, that's all. NTH. That's enough, guys. If only one word is there. Okay, all of you. Kumar, sir, is there any mandatory rule to follow in the real time, sir? See, these are the rules we have to follow, but it's not fixed, guys. Okay, suppose, see, sir, in the real time, write like this. Any problem? No problem. But later, while reading, others may feel difficulty. That's why, to make a better practice, to make all people understand very easy, we have to follow which case we should write the names in the Pascal, camel or snake case. So that's why now in our classes also, now onwards, guys, we must use these names only while practicing also, so that we can habituate to write in the real time. All of you, if you practice now, okay, the same thing you can habituate in the real time also, guys. That's why now onwards, while making the variables names, if you observe, guys, yesterday also I followed this rule. Yesterday also, simply see what I used here. I used which one? Snake case yesterday also, because every time when I take the any identifier name, variables, classes, anything, I follow the rules compulsorily. Guys, compulsorily. All of you, let me know. Everybody are clear now? Till now, guys, everything is clear till now. Guys, observing here, this is one file, guys. Okay, this is the file. See, all of you observe. Tell me now, what is the case here? What is the case, guys? These two. What are the cases? Rabi Narayana. Yes, Pascal, snake, camel are the best way always to write the any variables, classes, anything. Tell me, guys, now. These two are which cases? Pascal, right? Pascal. Which one? These two are the class names. Right? And you can see a variable, right? Variable, only one word. That's why which one I used? Lowercase I used, guys. Variable, only one word. Lowercase. Okay. Like that. So while practicing also, see again. This is what class. So what I used here? Pascal case I used, guys. Pascal case I used, okay. they are also same. This is what class. So what I used, Pascal case I used. Guys, don't worry about sir, what are the programs that we see later, guys. This I am showing the names. This I am showing the names, guys. Okay, all of you. Right. Now, guys, observe here. See, this is what def function, guys. Okay, this is what function. Tell me now, what is the case here? What is the case, guys? Tell me, which case I used here? All of you. This function, which case I used? These are the functions. These are the functions. What is the case I used here? Which case I used for functions? Pascal case. Pascal case. Shilpa, it's not Pascal case. This is what camel case. See, Pascal case, camel case, almost same, right? But only the first character makes difference. The first character, small character is there. That is what camel case. The first one, uppercase is there. That is called what Pascal case. Okay. Right. See, this is a function I used what Pascal case. Sorry, camel case. Right. All of you. Right. So like that we use, guys. So only one word. That's which one I used here. Lowercase I used, right? Right. So that's fine, guys, all of you. So everybody let me know. So I hope guys were clear about these two concepts, right? Which one? Uppercase and sorry, Pascal case, case styles, guys, and identifier and identifier, guys. Okay, identifier. All of you guys. So I am requesting you, if you not subscribed, guys, please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House. All of you, don't forget, please subscribe. Please check once, guys, whether you subscribe or not subscribe. If not, please do it, guys. Okay, so that you get notifications when I start any free live classes. Right. So guys, I'll ask you one question. Guys, let me know. I'll ask you one point here. See, Python is called Python is dynamically typed language, guys. Python is what? Dynamically typed language, and also Python is a strongly typed language. Python is strongly typed language, right? So first, let us see what is the meaning of Python is strong language. What is the meaning of Python is a strong language? Python is strongly typed language, right? Why? Guys, tell me now. All of you guys, let me know. Yes. See, I am taking here 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20. Tell me now, what is the output, guys, here? See, this is very, very important, guys. So many times they ask why Python is strong language or why Python is dynamic language. Right? It's a very important question, guys, all of you. Tell me now. So 10 plus 20, the answer is 30, right? That is no. The answer is what here? 30. So this is called what? This is called addition, right? 10 plus 20. This is what it's called what here? It is called addition. Okay. Addition, guys. Addition. That is okay. Next, A plus B. A plus B. Tell me what is the answer, all of you? A plus B. What is the answer? A plus B, what is the answer? All of let me know, guys. All of you. All of you guys. This is called what now? This is called what? Tell me. This is called what here? The first one, 10 plus 20 is the addition. That is the addition. But now, this is called what here? This is called what now? A plus B. This is what here? Answer is AB only, that is okay, but that operation is called what? Answer is AB only, but that operation is called concatenation, guys. What you call here? Concatenation, okay? Concatenation, right? So we should take either two numbers, we should take two string values. If two numbers are there, that is called what? Addition. If two string values are there, that is called what? Concatenation. That is called what? Concatenation, guys, okay? Concatenation. That is okay. Both supporting in Python. But now, sir, I am taking 10 plus A, sir. Is it possible? One number, one string. One number, one string. Is it possible or not possible, guys? Let me know. Is it possible or not possible? Means does it give output or else does it give error? Does it give output or error? Output means what forms actually? Output means 10A. Right? Output means what? 10A. So does it give the output 10A? Or does it give error? Which one is the correct one, guys? Tell me. Allah. All of you guys will reply. The answer is what now? The answer is 10A or the answer is error. Because I did not take the codes for the 10, right? Don't give the codes for the 10. It's a normal integer 10, that's all. Because okay, see, guys, observe now. If it is error, that is called a weak language, guys. If Python giving error, so output. If Python giving the output, then Python is a weak language. If Python giving the error, then Python is a strong language, guys. All of you. If Python gives output, that means Python is what? Weak language. If Python gives error, then Python is what? Strong language. Not only Python, it can be C, C++, Java, whatever it is. Any language, output is coming. That is called what? Weak language. In any language, output is error. That is called what? Strong language. That is what here? Strong language. Okay, strong language, guys. Let us see now. 10 integer 10 plus A. Output is what? Error. Output is what? Error. That means Python is what here? Python is what? Strong language. Sir, Python is strong language. What about Java, sir? What about Java? In Java, 10 plus A, output will come or error will come. Which one, sir? In Java also, output will not come. In Java also, error will come, guys. That's why both Python, Java, both are the strong languages. What are the weak languages? C, output will come. C++ output will come. C output will come. C++ output will come. So that's why both C, C++ are the weak languages. and Python, Java are strong languages. Karthik Reddy, yes, in Java also it is error. That's why Java also one strongly typed language. All of you, let me know. Everybody, is this clear now? Wiki because by default they will not support. Okay, by default they will not support. To solve the problem, you can do type conversion. What is the default nature? That is important. Because what is the default nature? That is important. Not for after conversion. Okay, right. So fine, guys, right? This is what. That's why. Which one? Tell me. Python, Java are both are which languages? Both are strong languages. C++, C are which one? Weak languages. That is okay. Now coming to the first one, guys, above one. Python is a dynamic language. Why Python dynamic language? All of you guys, anybody, if you know C, Java, how to declare a variable, guys? Tell me. All of you guys, tell me now. In C, in C++, in Java, how to declare a variable? How to declare a variable? Tell me. All of you. Give an example, guys. All of you. Give an example declaring a variable. Give an example, guys, declaring a variable in C, either C or C++ or Java, any language. Give one variable. All of you guys. Karthik Reddy, variable declaration. Give an example. Okay. Actually, there are two steps, right? There are two steps are there, right? Yes or no? In these languages, there are two steps. First step is what? First is called variable declaration. Yes or no? Variable declaration. First step. Variable declaration. What second step? Tell me. What second step? Value assignment, right? Value assignment. The second is what? Second is value assignment. Okay, or else both can be at the same time. Okay, int a equal to 10, right? Int a equal to 10 or int x equal to 10. Okay, see, I give some example, guys. Suppose int x, then x equal to which value? Integer value only. X equal to integer value only, right? Or x equal to any integer value. X equal to any integer value only. Yes or no, all of you? Okay. So see here, x is declared with the proper type. Which type? Integer type. That's why x allows only integer values only. X allows only integer values only. Suppose the same x, if I give hello, tell me, guys, now, does it support error will come? All of you. The same x, I am giving some string value hello. Some string value hello. Tell me, does it give output or error will come? All of you guys, let me know. Let me know. Error will come, right? Error will come because x is declared as which one? Declared as to take the integer value only. To take the integer value only. But here x you are giving the string value. That's why error will come. Error will come. Okay. But coming to Python language, guys. Python language, the first step is not there. Declaration is not there. Declaration is not there. Directly value is giving. Directly value is giving. Suppose I am giving x equal to 10. X equal to 10. Now x equal to, I can give any other type also. 10.5 it allows. X equal to Narayana it allows. No error. X equal to true. No error. X equal to something 3 plus some 4j means some complex number it allows, guys. It allows. See, allow, right? Okay. So in other languages, the variable allows same type of value statically. We cannot change the value. But in Python, the same variable allows dynamically all types of values. And you can observe here. In other languages, the same variable allows same type of value only. Okay, if you change the value type, if you give the different value, it will throw error. That is static. Statically, internally. If you give non-integer values, it can be complex, it can be string, it can be date values, it will throw error. But in Python, I am not declaring the variable like into x, not giving here. That's why x allows all types of values. And here, tell me, what is x type? Integer only. What is x type? Integer only. What is x type? Integer only. X type? Integer only. X type? Integer only. But string is giving error. But here, x type is what? Integer. Why? Because of integer value. What is x type? Float. Why? Because of float value. What is x type? String. Why? Because of string value. What is x type? Boolean. Because of boolean value. X type complex because of complex value. All of you can observe here, right? So in Python, the type of variable depends on the value. The data type of the variable depends on the value. But in Java language, first you declare the type manually, statically declare the type. As for the type, it allows values. But in Python, dynamically, the type keep on changing as per the value. If you change the value, type will change. If you take the same value, same type. That's called what? Dynamic nature. This is called what? Static nature. That's why C is a static language. C++ static language. Java static language. But Python is language here. Python is a dynamic language. Dynamically typed language. Python is what? Python is a dynamically typed language. Now, all of let me know, or clear now, what is dynamic language opposite static language? Dynamically typed, statically typed. All of let me know. Everybody, is this clear? All of you. All of let me know. Everybody are clear now? What is dynamic language? Dynamic opposite, what is static language? Right. So What's the point? Let me know. These three which languages? Statically typed languages, right? And only Python which language here? Dynamically typed language. Allow you. Okay, right. So finally, I'll give the point, guys. Tell me now. So let's compare Python and Java, guys. Let's compare Python and Java. Okay. Just guys observe now, all of you just observe one time. Just observe guys here, okay. Just I show you one small image, guys, where you can see these all four types of static, dynamic, okay, and strong, weak, okay. One image will be there, guys. So I explain by saying the image, right? Now, guys, observe here. All of you observe now. So this is what strong. This is what weak. Okay, weak. This is what dynamic. This is what here static, right? Static. Overall, this is what dynamic and strong. So Python is what? Python is strong and Python is what? Dynamic. That's why. So Python is a strong and dynamic language. Python is what? Strong and dynamic language. I can explain here. What is the meaning of strong? Strong means what here? 10 plus a. For example, I am giving, okay. It gives what? Error. So that is strong. What is weak? 10 plus a. The answer will be which one? 10a. Then this is what? Weak language. Static means what? Into a. So a equal to 10. If I give a equal to suppose some string value, then error will come. Okay. So what comes here? Error, guys, right? This is what? Error. But what is dynamic language? Dynamic means a equal to 10. Now change the value a equal to suppose 1.5. Change the value a equal to hello, no error. That is what dynamic language, guys. That is what dynamic language. Now Python is what? Tell me here. Python is what, guys, here? Python is strong language. Python is dynamic language. Means Python does not allow int plus string, and Python the variable allows all types of values, and the type of the variable depends on the value. I am giving 10, so integer type here. I am giving 1.5 float type here. I am giving string type here, like this. All of you are clear of this one, guys? Python is what? Strong, and Python is dynamic. Coming to Java. Java is a strong language, but Java is what? Static language. Strong means what? Python again, Java also not allows 10 plus a, but Java the types are static. If I give into a, that's all. A always allow integer values only, but not string values, but not date values, but not boolean values. All are not allowed. That's why in Java this is what? Statically language. But C, C++, both are weak languages. That means what? Both allow 10 plus a, okay? 10 plus a is 10a plus in C, C++ again the types are static. That's why. So C, C++ both are which one? Weak languages, at the same time static languages. That's all. All of you. So on overall, what is tell me? On overall, what is Python? Python is a strong, not stringer, strong and dynamically typed language, right? That is what Python. What about the Java? Java is strong only, stronger. But which one? Statically typed language. That's all. Right. So it is about why Python is strong and why Python is dynamic. And also this is the one difference between Python and Java, guys. This is one difference between Python and Java. Python is strong and dynamic, but Java is strong but static. So generally we can remember the names, guys. We can remember the names of Python strong, dynamic, Java strong and static. But why stronger? At that time you should remember this example, guys, compulsorily. Why dynamic? You should remember this example. Because in interview they ask examples, not just theory part, no. They ask some logics, some examples, guys, they want. Not only 3 points. All of you guys let me know. Everybody till now, everything is clear? All of you guys. Kumar, sir, can you convert the data? Yes, you can convert into float to int, into bool. All you can convert that we see later. Kumar, later we have a concept called the type conversions concept is there. At the time I will explain everything. Okay. Right. Right. I hope guys, all of you, these classes are useful to you, right? All of you. Let me know guys, everybody, are these free classes are useful or not to you? All of you. Are these free classes, these free Python classes are useful or not to you? Are you learning some new knowledge or not? Are you gaining new knowledge or not? Because some people know these basics already, guys. Some people know these basics already, right? But I should go from basics onwards, because these classes are mainly for the beginners, as I told you. That's why directly cannot start the advanced, right? You should go from very basics onwards, guys, so that everybody must able to gain a good knowledge from basics onwards. Alright. So that's fine, guys, all of you. Okay. So it's already 1.5 hours almost. Okay, we stop it now, guys. And tomorrow no session, all of you. Okay. And next class, guys, on Monday again same time. Everybody. Okay. And don't miss the classes, guys. Every day I am saying this point. Don't miss the classes. Attend the daily classes, because one day if you miss, the next day you feel something new. You feel something new is going on. If daily flow is there, so that you can easily follow up the process. So my request is, don't miss the classes. At the same time, please invite your friends also, your relatives also, all of you guys. Please invite them, guys. Invite them, because free classes, right? All can learn. Okay. At the same time, again I request you. So please subscribe our channel, Narayana Tech House, and click on the bell icon to get the notification. And Monday onwards, guys, we are going to start free spoken English classes, guys, from very beginning onwards. So you can invite all the people your nearby school students, college students, or housewives, whoever is there, invite them. We go from very basics onwards, from beginner to speaker, guys. Speaker, beginner to speaker. Okay. And at the same time, I don't give boring classes. Always grammar, grammar, grammar. In school days, same grammar. College days, same grammar. No, we learn the grammar in the new, innovative way. Okay, all of you. Very useful, interesting way, guys. Okay, right. Thank you so much, guys. We'll stop it now. We continue on Monday, same timing, with a new link. Thank you so much, guys, and good night.